Two-factor authentication, not working on Yahoo Finance App Fix. If your two-factor authentication isn't working on the Yahoo Finance app, it can be incredibly frustrating, especially when you just want to check your portfolio or market trends. But here's the good news. In most cases, the fix is fast and simple. First, make sure your phone's time and date are set to automatic. This might sound minor, but most people get this wrong, and two-factor authentication depends on exact time synchronization between your device and Yahoo's servers. Even a few seconds off can make the code fail. Next, check if your Yahoo Finance app needs an update. Older versions can lose compatibility with Yahoo's login systems, especially after security upgrades. Update your app, restart it, and try again. If you're using an authenticator app like Google Authenticator Authy or Microsoft Authenticator, open it and select Sync Time for codes. This option ensures your app-generated codes match Yahoo's verification clock exactly. If your verification code is being sent via SMS and it's not coming through, turn off your phone and try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data. Some network providers block automated text messages from financial apps. If the issue continues, uninstall and reinstall the Yahoo Finance app. This resets your cache and removes corrupted login data that could interfere with authentication. After reinstalling, go to your account settings and re-enable two-factor authentication. And if you've recently changed phones or lost access to your authenticator app, click Can't access your account. On the login page, Yahoo will guide you through identity verification and help you recover access securely. Once your phone's clock, app version, and security settings are all synced, your two-factor authentication should work smoothly again. Remember, it's not just an extra step. It's one of the most important tools for keeping your investment and personal data safe.